Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akilah, also known as Kilahmazing, and today I'm coming at y'all with another girl boss vlog. It's been a minute, I know, but your girl is back. Today I have some orders to ship out, so today I'm just gonna share with you guys how I prep my orders, how I prepare them, and how I ship them out. All right y'all, so this is my little work area. I got my sewing machine, and then I have my head wraps that need to be folded. I normally have these already pre-folded, but life has been crazy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fold them and ship them out from there. So the first thing I actually do before folding my head wraps is lint roll it. Sometimes there are little threads here and there, and I just wanna make sure that everything is clean. And then if I see any loose threads, I'll go ahead and just snip them. All right, so we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and fold it. And this is what it looks like once it's done. So next I just go ahead and take my iron and make sure it's as flat as possible. And there we go. This is what it looks like when it's done. And next I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other 4. All right y'all, so I just got done folding and it's currently 4:17. I always like to make sure I'm dropping off my new orders at the post office by 5 because that's what time they come and pick up the orders. But I currently have 4 orders to ship out. Today I'm gonna be doing 2, and then I'm gonna be doing the other 2 tomorrow. So I'm first gonna start off by writing down each order. I just like to keep track of who orders what, how much is coming in, what's going out, you know, all that good stuff. So next I'm just gonna take my packaging sleeve and wrap them around each head wrap. I made sure that I knew exactly how I wanted to fold my head wraps before ordering these. Y'all, that helps so much because you don't wanna order them and they not fit. So definitely go ahead and whip out your measuring tape and all that good stuff before you make any investments like that. You feel me? So next I just take each head wrap and place them into these poly bags. And this is what they look like. Very sleek, very professional, all of that. So next I'm just gonna go ahead and package everything. If you guys don't know, Shopify has an amazing app that I love. So I'm literally just gonna work off my phone to create the shipping label and all that good stuff. So So this is what it looks like. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and create the shipping label. So a boop, and then at the bottom there's a little button where you can select buy shipping label. So I recently invested in these double-sided label printer sheets. Y'all know previously I was cutting the labels and just taping them on to each package, but with these you can literally just cut them out and place them onto the package with no tape needed. So you literally just peel it off just like this and stick it right onto the package. And there we go. It looks like I used my little label printer, but I just used my good old HP. Yes, honey, but let's go ahead and hurry up and do this final order because it's 4:37 and I gotta get there by 5 o'clock. So let's go. And by the way, y'all, with the other half, I just simply put it back into the printer so that I'm using both sides. Alright, y'all, so I got my 2 orders for today. You know what? I'm gonna bring y'all with me. We're gonna do a drive with me. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be wait.
I'm at y'all from my phone because my memory card decided that it wanted to be full. But guess what? We made it at 4:54, so I actually had some time to spare. So I'm really happy that I got everything shipped out today. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.